Hello everyone, we're here at Late Apex for another update on the Porsche 944 project. So just a minor update, we changed the color of the engine. So previously it was wrinkle red, so we had to change it because the car is red already and it will be oozing with red if the engine will still be red. So I'll be revealing the color in a bit. And there you have the freshly built engine. Very clean. So excited to run this. We have the intake manifold. The turbines are there already. Piping. Nice. So if you notice, we've removed the wirings already. And we're getting ready to put in the harness of the Nissan, and I think we're ditching this one also, so we're switching to a fuse box, a Nissan fuse box. Getting ready for some pipe work too for the exhaust, and for the interior I think no update yet. And then so we'll be removing this wiper mechanism and change to this wiper delete. Hopefully it fits. If not, then we buy another one. There she is. So there's another project. I wonder what this is. Can you guess what it is? Nice, see? Recaro seats. What model is this? So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to follow the build. I'll be doing some more updates in the future. See ya.